fine now. So today like be second be spacecraft completing to be starting now. So I asking you something about this game, please. Request you be end of watching this video, and I will be helping to you how to more earn coins and how much you will be completely aircraft. So many of strategy I will give you. So I hope you will be enjoy this video, and please request you be every time like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to be sharing my video everywhere who like this playing game. So I hope you will be always to be supporting me and like my videos, so this is the more proud for me. So I hope you will be enjoy my video, and I request you be end of watching this video and don't skip now. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm be already downloading this game, and I will be helping to you how to be complete to be this spacecraft. I'm making video like be long, and I will be explain you how to be complete to be this craft game. Okay. So much I have problems, so it's okay, no problem. I will be proceeding now because little have timing, and my and before you will be ads every time you watching now. Okay, I will be check this more back here be also to be coming because have a problem more like be. I need to be more. And to be also spending of this timing. And I go to be something I'm upgrade now. Oh my god, adds more big problem create for me. Okay, I will move back because I need to be more, and I feel like damage to my stones more than. And I will be moved back. Okay.
सो गाइस यार इस एप्लीकेशन के अंदर आप सबको
Ball fit again now. Good job. Okay. This damage now. He asking to me this damage now. Click on these options. I will be claimed to be watching one of the herbs.
दाल वाला दाल दाल इसमें का कई कहाँ के खिला भी क्या हाँ दादा अरे सब रेड़ा लगे क्या रोटी खानी है
खा ला रोटी कहीं ना ना कि सदाम घर गए हैं तो उन्हें रोटी नहीं खवाई है कहीं ना ना घर गए हैं तो सानू रोटी नहीं खवाई है
नहीं कह दिया
समझ नहीं आती मैं की समझा
कह दिया जिन्ना ने घर गए ना रोटी नहीं खवाई पापा लगे
कि ये पकाया है बल्ले
ये दावत की थी
बड़ी गल पूरा ही मैं क्या कैसे मोल पाया अच्छा वाह भाई बड़ा माल चल मैं